Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the device is signed into its primary account and that location services are allowed. This lets the system report position. Once done, open the provider's Find My Device tool and attempt a live ping. That first check can reveal a last known location. Make sure you note IMEI and the exact local time you lost the phone, because those details speed up reporting to carriers and police if the device goes offline. Next, ring the phone remotely to determine if it's nearby. If not, lock it and push a contact message so a finder can call the number you provide. After that, review location history and timeline for movement patterns. These can indicate whether it's stationary or in transit. If the device shows suspicious activity, escalate by calling your carrier to suspend the SIM and ask about cell tower tracing, and prepare a concise report for law enforcement with timestamps and coordinates. Finally, coordinate with police using the IMEI and the most recent coordinates. They'll handle confrontation and recovery. If you cannot recover the phone and sensitive data is at risk, perform a remote erase, but understand that erasure prevents further tracking. If you hit problems, the device stays offline. Make sure to examine the last connected Wi-Fi network, battery level, and any cached timestamps. These clues often point to where and when the device went silent and guide follow-up actions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.